Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Audi RS6 full guide. Begin by lightly sketching the overall silhouette, centerline, and wheel placement to lock proportions. Focus on simple geometric shapes for the cabin, fenders, and hood before refining. Use reference photos to check angles and lengths, and keep strokes loose so you can adjust. This stage sets the foundation for details, so take your time and compare often. Now refine the major forms into car-specific details, starting with the iconic grille and headlight cluster, drawing them with confident lines. Emphasize the wide fenders and low bumper to capture the RS6 attitude, then work on wheels with correct rim design and tire thickness. Keep line weight varied to suggest depth, and check symmetry often by flipping your drawing or using a mirror. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion during long sketching sessions and perfect for commuting between car shows. It keeps water accessible and helps you focus on detail work without interruptions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With forms and details set, decide on a light source and begin shading progressively from light to dark to build volume. Smooth gradients convey painted metal while crisp highlights define chrome and glass areas, so blend carefully. Add subtle textures for tires and grille and maintain contrast to keep the car readable. Step back occasionally to assess overall value balance and make adjustments to strengthen the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.